Alright friends, now let's talk about the index method in Python list. With the index method, we can find the position of a specific element in a list. For example, I have a list which name is H, and then I have the following list 10, 20 and 30. If I want to find the index of the element 20, for example, I can use, I delete these, and then inside the print function, H dot notation, after dot notation, I use index, and inside the parentheses, I just give the element that I want to find the index. If I run it, I right click and run it, you see the output is 1. Because in Python, index starts from 0. So 10 is at index 0. And then 20 is at index 1. And 30 is at index 2. So when I run it, it returns 1 because 20 is at the first position. What does it mean first position? 20 is at index 1. So you can use the index method in your projects whenever you need to find the position of element in a list. Super.